We're going to take it on and answer it to the best of our ability.
Yes.
Now who are calling?
We could call people.
Hello?
Shelten, awesomeness. Shelten, awesome. Shelten, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Shaw family. We're chilling with the Shaw family.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
Pow!
I'm your girl Tanisha
And
and
Sheldon.
Shell over there, so
Yeah.
yes. Welcome all new subscribers. Welcome to our channel. Please remember to like the video, leave a comment, and share with a friend.
As always, guys, just share with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Shelten. You know, we try to make good quality content over here that people can relate to. So, most definitely.
So as you see in the topic below, tonight we're gonna do a would you rather challenge. We were nominated by Natalie.Check.
Natalie, what a go on?
Yes, my good friend from way back when. Yes.
Yes, people. So whenever we get some challenges, we try not to back down from them. We just do it. So we get the challenge, and we're going to take it on and answer it to the best of our ability.
Yes.
Now who are calling?
We could call people.
Hello? Yes, I'm good evening. Yes, correct. Okay. Alright, thank you. Alright, cool. They are bringing something for your birthday. They'll be here in a few minutes. Now, I don't know if the robe is appropriate. People, give us a few minutes. Friends, give us a few minutes. Something is
What am I
coming.
bring for my birthday?
Remember, we went by the spa and the lady made a phone call. So I think that was one. Plus, prior to coming here, I told them. So I figure everything is now coming into fruition, you know, guys. So
Okay.
let us see what's coming. Yes, guys. So as we were saying, we don't back down from no challenge. So we're going to answer these 8 questions we see here. And we're going to ask these 8 questions of each other.
You're not back down here?
And we answer them as honestly as we can. So let me ask you the first question. Let's attack the first question. Would you rather to be caught cheating or cheated on unknowingly?
I mean, I like that cheating thing there, you know. That cheating thing there, not my friend. Not my style. But if I were to answer that question, cheated on unknowingly. What? You say if me know, me a mash you up.
It said unknowingly. So we both choose unknowingly.
And that's a choice too?
Why would I want to be caught cheating? You come in. Okay. So I think we answered number 1 as best as we possibly can. We both said unknowingly. Alright, number 2. Would you rather to be intimate with someone who has armpit odor or bad breath?
No, sir. Them questions are hard, people.
I am assuming that these questions you can eventually fix whatever the problems are with this person.
In this case, they don't really have a permanent problem, so we can fix the armpit odor, and we're supposed to can fix the bad breath.
Which would you rather I had?
Well,
armpit odor or bad breath?
Me can't take the bad breath because me not go kiss you if you have bad breath. So me deal with the armpit odor and work on it and fix it.
Alright, people, so if she were to have one of the above, I would have to choose the armpit odor, you know, because I have no business under her arm, but I'm gonna have business in her mouth. Number 3. Would you rather to be beaten or someone beat your mom or child?
Them better beat me first.
Yeah. Who say man I beat the beating? Come beat me, yeah.
Come drape me up.
Yeah, low me pick me alone.
Yeah, me defend my child. When
Yeah.
my mother passed. But no still defend my dead.
And if one did try beat my mother, she'd have told me some clarity, see. Anyway, moving on. Would you rather to not shower or brush your teeth for a week?
Not shower or brush my teeth for a week. I'll try the brush teeth. I'll try not to brush your teeth, but I can use mouthwash, right?
People, she answered correctly. Because
shower, change your mood, change your vibes.
Well,
you
people,
can't manage 1 week without that.
she answered correctly. Cause she don't bathe for a week, she gonna be frowsy. I mean, I can't go beside a frowsy body.
You know, me like a frowsy.
Of course, if you're not bathe, you get frowsy. But can't turn on your head. If you don't brush your week, you can't just turn on your head when your body clean.
I can use mouthwash and rinse out my mouth.
Yeah, I would rather to not brush teeth for a week, people. Clean body. She have clean body to talk to. She can't turn on my head. Oh. Would you rather be naked for 5 minutes at work or be naked in a public place where no one knows you?
Well, I can choose 5 minutes at work, right? I can choose that 5 minutes when I know I don't have any clients.
No,
And-
work means at least 1 or 2 persons there. So it means that you have a client here with you right now. People, I would choose to be naked in a public place where nobody know me. And please don't take no pictures.
That's 1 hour. Me work with the 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes.
I don't nobody erects me naked. So yeah, public place, nobody knows me. Awesome. And number 6. I don't like this question though. Would you rather to know when you're gonna get married or when you're gonna die? Get married.
Yeah, we have to know when I get married.
Yeah.
You have surprise one.
I don't want that thing around here. Number 7. Would you rather to have no teeth or no hair?
Bumbo. No ear people. Wig there. Can wear wig.
Yeah. I
But
don't want to
if
mash
me have
up.
no teeth, imagine how me I look. Just imagine.
People,
How me I look.
people have known to see her. If she never had no teeth.
No ear. Remove this. Remove this.
Yeah, you can still. You can.
You used to be a fired, but
The teeth, people. The teeth
Can't
says a
manage
lot.
that.
The teeth does a lot. You know. If she was a mash mouth woman, I wouldn't want it. Balled and teeth, me alright with that. And for me, I would rather to have my teeth and no hair. Yeah, something like that. Would you rather to end world hunger or be rich?
well, I'll choose be rich. By then, I will be able to help persons who are hungry. And yeah.
But I think the question is saying is either.
Well, a rich may I choose.
People, ending world hunger in our current day situation is not an easy task. Now, I don't know how this particular question came about, but when you think about, the earth right now and the amount of starving people, I don't know, it seems unrealistic, you know. I want to be rich. And if
Yeah,
when
if
we get
we're
rich, then we'll divert that some of that wealth
we can help others.
into helping the less fortunate.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So, can we make up 2 questions and add to this? Would you rather be blind or be wealthy? So, like tomorrow morning, option: be blind or be blind. No, what am I saying? Would you rather that you can see or be blind and wealthy? Yeah.
Oh,
That better. That's one better.
I rather to be able to see. Thank you, Lord, for sight.
I want to see. I don't want riches that bad.
That alone is riches to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next question. Would you rather to live a life of being alone and be wealthy, or live a life of being with someone you're so happy and in love with and living from paycheck to paycheck every month?
Read between the lines.
I think she wants love, guys. Look at, she got love here. And wealth is coming. Alright, guys, so that's it for us. You know, this challenge was given to us long ago. So at this point in time, we're not gonna give the challenge to anyone because I figure some of those friends that have gotten the challenge already.
Yeah.
So guys, you know, thanks for tuning in to our channel. You know, we appreciate the support. And
Thank you guys for watching. And remember to share, like, leave a comment, and tell a friend about Shelten awesomeness.
peace out, guys. Yes, guys, so this is a birthday gift, courtesy of the hotel. They sent a bottle of wine for Tanisha. So, yes, commendations to them for thinking of a birthday. Awesome.